You must have noticed that as much time we have in our hands, the more unproductive our day appears to be. This is the current situation where everyone is striving to be more productive during this lockdown, which seems to be never ending. Hi everyone, I'm Namita. Welcome back to my channel. And today's topic is how to be more productive every day. Well, everyone is really facing the same problem that we do have a lot of time in the day, but somewhere productivity is not ready to be our friend. Something which I have also faced personally, something which I was really struggling very hard with, that the energy levels are becoming low. Maybe because we don't have to hustle, we don't have to rush to our office, or no, there's no need to get up early. So somewhere we are not being able to utilize the time properly. So I'm going to share quite a few things which you might find very helpful, which I have felt to be really wonderful for me. So the first thing that I would like to talk about is that please, even if we are not going to go out, don't forget to get ready. Now you don't have to wear a tight belt and be suited booted, just something which is comfortable but something presentable at the same time, that when you look at yourself in the mirror you feel good about yourself. So it is very important to take a shower, dress up, put on a little bit of fragrance, deos, perfumes, whatever you like. Getting ready early in the day will really help you increase your productivity. Now, having a separate workspace really helps. If we are just sitting on our beds with that laptop table or on the sofa with the regular table, dining table, it would not give you the feel of being in a working situation. Definitely, you'll feel unproductive. The moment you switch to a proper workspace which you have assigned, I'm not asking to have a separate room. You can have a separate table in your bedroom or wherever, even if you're short of space. Having a separate workspace is going to increase the productivity that you cannot deny. I know weekend and weekdays appear to be quite similar nowadays, apart from the fact that you don't have to log in on Saturdays and Sundays. Otherwise, there's not much of a difference. But if we can plan our week, if we can do a little bit of planning, then it can actually help to increase our productivity to a greater level. Since we are spending a lot of time in our homes these days, so organizing and cleaning our home is a great idea. Do you know that cleaner and organized spaces leave a lot of scope for the positive energy to flow in? And when we have so much of positive energy around, we are automatically going to be more productive. Everyone who would talk about increasing your productivity will share this one thing with you, that read as much as you can during this time. See, those who are already very fond of reading, I'm sure that it was hard for you to take out that time for reading when you had a routine, when going to office, driving, working for 9 hours, and which we are already doing, minus the driving part, which we are already doing, but still we have time. We don't have to wake up early. So read now. And those who are not readers, this is the time when you should start reading. Apart from working for your communication skills, reading is going to do magic for you in life. The situation is not as strict as it was 3 or 4 months back. So going out for a walk is not such a big taboo anymore. People are going out for walks. The best part is that we don't have to rush to our office. We don't have to catch a metro, or we don't have to drive. So after taking a walk, we can easily come back home and log in to our laptops, which is not a difficult thing. Or evening walks whenever you have a break time, or walking after dinner. Walking releases endorphins. Endorphin is a feel good hormone, and if we are feeling good, we will automatically feel more energetic, and ultimately it will lead to increasing our productivity. It is true that we are not being able to meet our close people, our friends and family, but thanks to the technology, thanks to the Wi-Fi that we all have in our homes, we can easily connect with all of them. They are our powerhouse of energies, isn't it? So connecting with them, connecting with your old colleagues, connecting with your friends and family is a wonderful idea if you want to gather a lot of positive energy, ultimately taking us to being more productive. Before I end this video, there is one thing that I would certainly want to share with you all, something that I have actually introduced into my routine quite recently. It's been only since the lockdown, 4 or 5 months now, that I have fallen in love with plants. Having a balcony garden can do wonders into your life. When you are a plant parent, you don't know how beautiful you feel. Just by looking at them, you can talk to them. Just by seeing the life sprouting out in your balcony is something beyond words. I cannot even explain that to you. So start bringing in plants. Don't spend money on it. I would just say that whatever seeds you were throwing from your kitchen into the bin, just don't throw them, just throw them into pots. That's it. The lemon seeds, which we every day have, the papaya seeds or the tomato ones or whatever seeds. I mean, I have a lot of them. The date seeds, I have planted mangoes because it was the mango season, even the jamun, all of that. So just throw them into the pots instead of the bin and see the life sprouting out of your balcony. So these are few things that are going to work on your productivity in a very positive way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with me in the comment section below if you think that these things can actually work for increasing our productivity. I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Consider subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.